Hey traders, welcome to the Profitable Traders, and a big shout out to my subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing. We're slightly above 290 subscribers right now. I know we're gonna hit that milestone together, and thank you so much. It's because of you, that's why I make videos every week. In this 2021, we're gonna grind it, we're gonna make pips together, and our goal on this channel is to make you a profitable trader. In this video, you learn an insane price action strategy that I'm using to predict the market. If you feel excited, then smash the subscribe button, the notifications bell, so that you'll be alerted whenever we upload new videos every week. Without further ado, let's get started. The predictions that I'm doing here are based on purely price action, and I'm gonna pass you step by step through this price action strategy that I'm using to predict the market. This is dollar Swiss, and on this dollar Swiss, you've seen that I've drawn my zones, my red zone and my green zone. My green zone here represents the support level, and my red zone represents resistance level. Let me first begin with the red zone here, which is at the resistance level. This is a zone that has been tested multiple times as support before the market broke below it. It was tested here as support several times, and it held the market since July up to November. And this is a key level of structure because it has held the market for a long period of time, and it has been tested multiple times. It's being tested here as support, tested here as support, tested here as support, tested here as support, tested here as support. You know what I'm saying? Tested here as support. So this level of structure has been tested 6 times and respected, and it was being tested as support before, and now the market has broken below it, and now it has turned into resistance. It's no longer support level, it's now a resistance level. And when the market came to this zone that I have marked here, this is a green zone on a daily time frame. If you scroll back here, I think this is a weekly level of the structure. Yeah, on a weekly time frame, this is a level of structure that was tested as support multiple times, and when the market came back again to this level, it was rejected here at the support level. So that's a strong level of structure, and it made this inverted head and shoulders pattern, and the market now has come back to this level. This is now resistance level, but it was support before. Now what do you think is going to happen here? Let's first look at the buyer's perspective. The buyers that bought the market at this support level are likely to take the profits at this level. So this is the buyer's perspective. And what about the seller's perspective? The sellers are waiting for the market to come to this level of resistance that was initially support, and now when the market comes to this level of resistance, what do you think they're going to do? They're going to sell the market because this is a strong level of structure. When the market comes back here, the market will not do something like this, break above it. There will be some sort of correction, maybe to the downside, before it goes and breaks above this level of structure. So for this reason, I am looking to sell the market. I'm looking to sell this market when this market gets back to this level of structure. The next currency pair is euro dollar. Euro dollar, some weeks back I made a tutorial, and I said that when this market comes back to this level of structure, what I will be looking for is a pullback to this level of support. Then I'll look for an entry reason to buy in the market. I will show a video clip where I made that analysis. If I have it, I'm pretty sure I have that video clip. and I will show it to you. Standalone swing high on a weekly level of structure. I've marked it to be my resistance level, expecting the market when it comes up here, I would find some sort of a relief at this level. But what I will do on daily time frame, if this market makes a move like this to come back again to this level of support, definitely what a lot of buyers are going to do here is to buy the market. And buying this market, exactly it happened the way I predicted it. Came to this strong level of resistance. Let's go to weekly time frame to show you that this is a strong level of resistance. This one is a stand-alone swing high. This is the highest point the market has reached since 2016, and the market has come back again to that level of structure. What do you think is gonna happen? Obviously, at the buyer's perspective, the buyers that bought the market at this support level will be taking the profits off at this level. And at the seller's perspective, the sellers are waiting for the market to come to this level of resistance and sell the market. Now that has happened as I predicted. Right now what I'm waiting for is for this market to come back to this level of support that was previously resistant, and I enter into the market and buy. So this is what I have on euro dollar. And another currency pair is euro pound. On euro pound, I still have these drawings where I made the predictions some days back. I don't remember when, but I made this prediction, and if I have that video clip, I'll first show you that video clip. If the market does something like this, breaks and close below this level of support, what I will do, this level of support would have turned out to resistance, and wait for the market to make a retest back up here to the resistance level that was previously support, and look for an entry reason and to go to the downside, at least touching the previous level of support. Since you've seen that video clip, what I was talking about in that clip is that this is a strong level of support that was tested here as support, and I made profits on this level of structure. And now when the market now came up here and it was approaching this support level, I was expecting this market to find a relief at this level of support, but that didn't happen. It will always be like that. So instead, I was well prepared and said that if that doesn't happen and a market breaks below this level of support, I'll be waiting for a pullback to this level of structure and sell the market. Now the market has broken below this level of structure, and what I'm waiting for now is to wait for a pullback to this level of resistance that was previously support, and look for a reason to sell the market. So these are the three currency pairs that I am watching. They are in my radar for this coming week, and I'll be trading them. One of them is dollar Swiss, and in this dollar Swiss I'm looking for a counter trend because this is in a downtrend, and it looks like now the market is changing its direction. And if the market makes it to this level, I'll be looking for a selling opportunity. This is like a counter trend strategy, because right now the market is in a downtrend and showing some signs of a reversal to the upside, but I will be selling this market when it comes to this level of resistance. Another is euro dollar. Euro dollar is the most traded currency pair in the world. I predicted it some days back that this market will find resistance here, and when it finds the resistance up here and gets rejected here, I'll be waiting for this market to come back here to this level of support that was previously resistance and buy the market. And the last currency pair is euro pound. Euro pound and euro dollar, these are correlation pairs. We'll be selling this euro pound uh, if it gets up to this level of structure, I'll be selling it based on my entry reasons, based on my strategy. And euro dollar, I'll be buying it when it reaches to this level of structure. So these are the three currency pairs that I'm looking at right now, and there might be more currency pairs that I will come across throughout the week. I'll be trading them as well. And if you have made it to this end watching this video, thank you so much. And if you haven't yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications bell so that you'll be alerted whenever we upload new videos. And also don't forget to like the video. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.